So I just purchased land in Jamaica, and these are the prices that you're going to have to pay for closing. So for context, my land is valued around 6 million Jamaican dollars. So for the deposit to the seller, I paid 660,000 Jamaican dollars. That's 10% plus some taxes. For the bank's deposit, I paid 600,000 Jamaican dollars. For the bank's credit check, I paid $2,946.59. For the bank's valuation, I paid 25,000 Jamaican dollars. For my own personal surveyor's report, I paid 60,000 Jamaican dollars. For my own personal valuation, I paid 25,000 Jamaican dollars. For the loan fees from the institution that I went with, I had to pay 142,040 Jamaican dollars. For the stamp duty and registration fees, I had to pay $24,520. For the HLTV fees, I had to pay 45,600 Jamaican dollars. For the title search, I had to pay 1,500 Jamaican dollars, and for my lawyer fees, I had to pay 95,000 Jamaican dollars. But wait, there's more. Because the bank took forever to disperse the money and made me late for closing this property, I had to pay the seller's interest, and I paid them 176,301 Jamaican dollars and 76 cents. Now, just for the closing costs and the fees for this property, I had to come out of pocket $1,857,908.35. Everybody who I think about land, I think you should think about these fees also.